Hello! I started with the backend using NestJS and domain-driven design. It's a DDD. I organize the code by domains. Everything related to message, it's grouped inside its own model. This structure wasn't required, but it's good. Design patterns that scale well and make testing much easier. Code quality and stability were priorities. The project includes a full set of tests using Jest and Supertest to ensure that each part works well. I also use load and stress testing with K6 to check that the system can handle many users. This included testing for performance, scalability, and stability. One of scalability pillars of the solution is RabbitMQ, used as message queue. When a user sends a message, RabbitMQ and a worker process it in the background. This way the user doesn't need to wait and the system remains fast. The queue will also add resilience, since failed messages can be retried, preventing data loss. I implemented Mongo together with Mongoose as the ODM. The main reason it's flexible schema, which makes it easy to adapt to complex migrations. Its scalability also allows the system to handle large amounts of data and maintain a high availability. To keep the system running smoothly and detect issues quickly, I integrate new Relic APM. It's giving me a complete view of the application's performance, including real-time tracking, custom metrics, transaction tracing, and detailed error analysis. This makes it much easier to find and fix problems fast. The documentation is already available with Swagger, is auto-generated, always up-to-date and testable directly in the browser. The application includes interactive API documentation, making it easy for developers to explore and use the API. Now talking about the frontend. This part was built using React and TypeScript, focused on a modern, responsive design and real-time communication. The main goal was to create a smooth user experience that feels instant, so I integrate WebSocket through Socket.io, client to handle real-time messaging, online status, and typing indicators. The application includes a JWT authentication system, secure token storage, and automatic reconnection to the WebSocket when needed, so users stay connected even after network interruptions. I followed a component-based architecture, organized the code into reusable modules for things like chat, message, layouts, and UI elements such as buttons and modals. For state management, I used React Context API with user reducer, which keeps the state predictable and easy to maintain. The interface is full responsive, adapting perfectly to the mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. It uses a mobile-first approach with CSS models for isolate and maintain styles, and Lucide Icons for a clean, modern look. In terms of performance, I optimize re-renders with RabbitMQ and keep API communication efficient using Axios.